Hi everyone, welcome to my live learning lesson day 19, and today I'm live learning from my best friend cheat for myself because I'm a build for a long time is a blind trust, but my best friend only for one cheat to collapse all of my life learning process. But at the time, God are every time support for my side. That is the only for one change. You are not a build a trust. First one, you are use and you are only for not a build a trust, but you are life learning lesson. You listen carefully. You are only for use, and after you are to entire of life is collapse. That is the not a difference between the for you and me, but literally I change of my perspective, change of my mindset. Why? Because I'm a blind trust for my best friend, but at the time that is friend is the different way. Okay, but literally I suggest for you and your wishes for your dream. You are help for yourself every day, not support for everyone. Why? Because friend are not just like you understand your situation, but cheater are to understand your situation. That is the reality of uh, best friend. Okay, you are not a build a trust, you are use first one, and after you are build trust. That is the reality of the friendship as a best friend is my life learning session. Okay, don't worry, but I'm a chill of my life. I care of myself, and I wish my best friend to achieve your dream in your future dream. You achieve it. Okay, I'm a cool, and I wish you are to achieve your dream is early to early. Okay, and thank you so much, dear. Okay, you are start my new life chapter. That is my best friend story, but just like a not a real story, but at the time as a funny. Okay, not a properly to true. That is the story, but 1% is the true. Okay, you are understanding, and after you are to learn in your this vlog. Okay, thank you so much. But I'm not as a able long time shoot vlog, but at the time I'm a properly commitment in myself, dedicate myself. At the time I build my confidence in this self. I love myself every day, every time. Thank you so much, dear.